Exactly 365 days ago, we gave the start to this new journey. Today we're here because we want to see what the teams have accomplished in this acceleration program.
We have been choosing Innovation Factory as a source to find new technology.
During our experience in Innovation Factory, we learned that there are a lot of different roles in coordinating an effort this wide.
And we discovered what is behind appliances, great labs, a lot of research, a lot of innovation, so we discovered a new world.
We obtained a very good result at the end of the project.
The solution that we are designing can be implemented in our factories in a pretty fast way.
The experience at the end was very productive.
We had the possibility really to collaborate next to each other in a new way.
And we had the opportunity to create so many bounds, and I think they will be very useful in the next step of the project.
If I look around, I think we have done a fantastic step forward by engaging around innovative ideas and innovative people. Thanks a lot, and that's worth the first applause, I think, to you, because I see the excitement.